Hey, my name is Joey Fralick. I'm an account manager in South Carolina for Clark Powell. Clark Powell is an audiovisual integration firm that started in 1983, and we would love to help you with your next project. If you are familiar with Clark Powell, you know our process. If you're not, there are several other videos that you can watch that can tell you basically what we do. I'm here to talk about the team that's almost behind the scenes. We've got a great team at Clark Powell. A lot of faces will be familiar. If you are a customer, you'll probably know your account manager, you may know your project manager, you may know some designers and even some install faces, but there are a lot of other amazing team members that are behind the scenes that help make us successful. For example, if you decide to work with us, once we get a purchase order, we have a design review process where a designer goes back and looks through the project. We have a peer review process. We do this to help make sure that we get everything right before we place the order. Then we have people who actually order every piece of gear from our manufacturers. Once this gear starts coming in, we have folks in the warehouse that have to touch every piece of gear, and in some instances, like displays, we open every single display to make sure that it's in working order and ready to go. So it's just a lot of pieces of equipment that somebody has to physically touch. We do over 400 jobs a year, so we're talking thousands of pieces of gear that get serialized, etc. Once we do that, we reach back out and our process begins for the installation. And even after the installation is over, we still have work to do behind the scenes from billing to the manufacturers. And again, it's just a strong team that we work really well together, and we really believe that that's what makes us successful. So if you have a project, we would love to hear from you. Let us know, and we'll have an account manager reach back out to you, and we appreciate it.